In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to manage passwords with Bitwarden. We'll walk through the core security settings in the Bitwarden Web Vault so you can keep your account protected and your passwords easy to manage. Start by heading to the Bitwarden Web Vault in your browser. Make sure you're on the official site and using a trusted device and network. Once you're in your vault, look to the top of the page and click the profile icon. This opens your personal menu. From here, choose Account Settings to access everything you need to manage security and privacy. On the left sidebar, select Security. This section is where you'll configure the most important protections for your vault. First, open the master password area. Your master password is the single key that unlocks your entire vault, so it needs to be unique, long, and hard to guess. If you're improving your security or rotating credentials, click Change Master Password. When you do, think in terms of length and randomness. Use a mix of words, numbers, and symbols, and avoid anything you've used elsewhere. Remember, the master password can't be recovered if you forget it, so store it safely. Next, you'll see an option to log in with passkey. Clicking this lets you set up passwordless authentication backed by your device's secure hardware, like a platform authenticator or a security key. It's fast and phishing resistant. Keep in mind, passkeys enhance your login experience, but don't replace your master password. They work alongside it. Now, go to two-step login. This adds a second layer of protection to your account. You'll see multiple methods. Click Email to explore one-time codes delivered to your inbox. Convenient, though not the strongest option. Click Authenticator app to use time-based codes from an app on your phone or desktop. This is generally the recommended balance of security and ease. Then click Passkey to enable modern, hardware-backed two-step verification for even stronger defense. Choose the method that fits your workflow and consider enabling more than one so you have a reliable backup. From there, visit Device Management and click Devices. Here you can review where your account is signed in. If you spot anything you don't recognize, revoke it to sign that device out immediately. Regularly reviewing this list helps you catch issues early. Finally, click Keys. This section lets you manage the cryptographic keys tied to your devices and login methods. Remove old or unused entries to keep your security footprint tidy and up to date. By the end of these steps, you've strengthened your Bitwarden account with a solid master password, robust two-step login, convenient passkeys, and clean device and key management. Make a habit of revisiting these settings periodically to stay secure.